Hey guys, my name is Fatma Rao. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can do this pretty black and red ladybird nail art. So let's jump into the video. So I have applied my nails. After that, I'm just going to apply the red nail paint on it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I have applied the red nail paint. After that, I'm just going to wait until it dries and then we'll move to the next step. Okay, so in this step, I'm just applying the black nail paint on the edges and the corners, or you can place it anywhere you want to. I am making random shapes. You can make any shape you want, like square or circles. It depends on you. Now just let it dry. After that, I am using the transparent nail polish just to give a fine look. So this is the transparent nail paint which I am using, and now I'm just going to apply it. this is the final look. I hope you guys like. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, बहुत इंग्लिश बोल ली, थोड़ा देसी टच दे दूँ मैं वीडियो को। मेरी वीडियो ना लाइक कर दें प्लीज़ अगर आपको पसंद आ गई, और सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही दो मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़। बाय।